Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be starting Crazy April, and as a lot of us know, Avengers Endgame is going to be coming out on April 25th. I'm gonna go ahead and be creating some looks at first based on the Infinity Stones. So we're gonna go ahead and do that in order of the Infinity Stones that Thanos captured in the movie. We're going based off of the MCU and not the comic books, sorry. So the first one I'm gonna go ahead and start off with is Power. And so this entire look is going to be purple, just different shades of purple. So let's just get into this Power Stone look. Gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with our Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. First I'm gonna hop into my Magic Mini by Juvia's Place palette and take a fluffy brush and just dip on into that. And it is a pretty dark purple. So we're gonna go in and put that in our crease. Just pat it in at first and then we'll blend it out. Now that that shade is on, we're gonna go ahead and take our Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, purple shade right here, we're gonna go into that. Just gonna put that right on top of our first purple shade, our dark purple shade. Okay, now we're gonna take the Deuce palette, also from Juvia's, and we're going to go into the shade Custard and just go right in, further blending out the purple. I'm gonna go into this really old Morphe 35P and just grab a purple, a really faint purple shade from here. I'll just lighten everything up. So Tarte from the Deuce palette on my brow bone. And also puffs because it kind of comes out a little bit lighter. I'm gonna take this makeup remover and a Q-tip. We're gonna go in with a little bit at a time and remove whatever we need to remove. Ready, and now we're gonna go back into our primer and put that back on the lid. And now we'll take a really small brush and go back into that shade Tarte and put that really close to our purple line. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like this purple, like a really light purple iridescent line right here. Right underneath this light purple line, we're gonna go ahead and create another line. It's gonna ombre from dark purple in the inner corner, and then it's gonna be like a medium purple here, and then like a lighter purple in the outer corner. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're gonna go back into those same three shades, and hopefully I can get this. If not, it's fine, we'll just clean up underneath anyways. And now we'll go back into the Zulu palette and pick up that purple shade and blend that into our darker purple. Now we're gonna go back into the Deuce palette and get that shade Custard and put that on the outside. Back in with the Q-tip and clean up that underneath this part. Ready, and one last time we're gonna go back in with our primer, and this time we're gonna put it on the brush because I don't want it to get all everywhere. Alrighty, and we're gonna go back into that Tarte shade in the Deuce palette. Right under our ombre line. Ready, and now that we have that light purple on, what we're gonna go ahead and do now is wing out a liner. We're gonna just use eyeshadow, and those same three eyeshadows that I used to create this ombre line right here, we're gonna use that but do it reverse. So instead of the dark being in the center or like in the inner corner, it's going to be in the outer corner, and the light color is going to be in the inner corner. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, let's start in with that Custard shade. Put that right in here. And you'll want to go into the purple shade in the Zulu palette now. Alrighty, and now we're going to go into that shade from the Magic Mini palette, the dark shade, and complete our wing. Okay, and this is the look so far, you guys. So far, this is the look. It's all purple. This is for the Power Stone. Okay, so Power Stone, purple. Lid is done, and so now I'm going to go off camera real quick and just do some mascara, some lashes, and my foundation, and then I'll come back and do the bottom. What is this? Like the lower lid. Alrighty, so our lashes are on, and now we're going to go ahead and do just the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and take our darkest shade, which is Ife, and just press that onto the lower lash line. And then make sure it connects a little bit with the wing. Now we'll go into our Zulu palette with the purple shade, and with a slightly bigger brush, put that, let's see, blend that out. And last, we're going to go into our Deuce palette and go back into that shade Custard, slightly bigger brush, and just blend that on out. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and get into our Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is the shade Voodoo. Put that on the lower lash line. And now that we're all purple, what I'm going to go ahead and do is get into my Disney Villains and Colourpop Ursula highlighter. And this is in the shade Poor Unfortunate Souls. We're going to put that in the inner corner. And we're also going to go into the shade Honeymoon from Colourpop as well. Put that on top of Poor Unfortunate Souls. There we go. Just because it is an infinity stone, I feel like we should put some rhinestones on it. Just ordered some from Amazon, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. So just 1 second. Alrighty guys, and that would be it for our finished look. And this is our Power Stone from Avengers Endgame. This would be the first stone that Thanos collected in the Avengers Infinity War, which came out last year. I went ahead and I threw on some Kylie gloss, and this is a shade Oh You Fancy. So really love her lip glosses. Really into lip glosses right now. But yeah, so everything's all purple, and be sure to tune in for the next video because we are going to be doing another stone. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel free to follow me on all of my socials, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.